Hi everybody! Today's screencast is an application presentation of the website called ABCya. Some people refer to it as ABCya, but I've always called it ABCya. The URL is simple, www.abcya.com. Now when you type in your URL, you are greeted with this page here. Now, ABCya offers many educational games for students all the way from pre-K to 6th grade and even up. Now, this is more for parents up here. You can actually create an account if you wanted to. You can have a premium account. You don't have to have one. If you don't have a premium account, it doesn't really take away from the experience here. Here's the help center. This is for information for parents and teachers. And right here, you can see all the Common Core standards. Let's click on that. Now you can sort from standard and game. So you can search a standard for your child's grade level, and it will pair you up with some games there. All right, we're going to click and go back home here. All right, so if you scroll down, you'll see categories such as subtraction, some trekking games, Molly Unicorn. Keep in mind that all these games are educational in some way, whether they be math or letters or strategy or skill. So we're going to click on our grade level. And here are your categories for your child to choose from, which games they want to play. For an example, we're going to click ABC letters. Now, as you can see, there are many ABC letter games to choose from. Now, if your child decides, no, I don't really want to play letter games, they can just keep scrolling and they can find the math games and the holiday games and so on. As you can see, there's a lot to choose from here. We're going to click on a game just to give you an example of what happens. This will pop up. The games do require an Adobe Flash Player. So if you don't have that on your computer, you can download it. It's completely free, and but it is required for these games. Okay, so this is the little area. This is where the games will be played. Now, this is pretty low maintenance, these games are, but keep in mind that there is a save, a print, and a print button. I would definitely instruct the children that you are letting play these games not to press the print button if you don't want your ink to be wasted. I believe that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that this screencast was informational, and we'll see you later.